We're going to be solving addition problems today by using word problems. So I want you to listen very carefully to all of the word problems that you will have read to you today, because after they're read to you, you need to draw the pictures to show what's happening in the story. Then you'll write an equation. So today is an important day to listen. Your listening skills are going to be put to the test because whoever's helping you will read the story. You'll draw the pictures for what you hear from the story and then write your equations. So let's read our DLO and then we'll do some examples. I'll go first. Today I will solve addition problems. Now it's your turn. Today I will solve addition problems. So let's review our addition vocabulary. This is the operation. Say operation plus. That is called a plus sign. When you see a plus sign, you know you're adding. Addition. Addition. The short word for addition is add, which is A-D-D. So when we're doing addition, the operation is plus. You'll hear the word add. When you add, you're getting more, a bigger number. When you're getting more, after you find the total, you'll hear the words in all or all together. All is an important word because in addition word problems, you'll hear the word all a lot. I had 3 suckers from Halloween and I got 2 more candy. How many pieces of candy do I have in all or all together? So all is an important addition vocabulary word because you'll hear it a bunch. When we add, we're getting more. We want to know how many in all you have, which also means the sum. The total is called the sum, just like in the song. So say plus, add, more, all, and sum. My M looks a little funny. Sum. Okay, now let's go over a couple stories. First, I'll start with some pictures, and I'll just draw my cookies because those are the easiest. They might be silly stories today, like joining, because there's a vocabulary word in your book today about little critters and they join their friends. So joining means that they're coming. So they're adding into the group that's already there. But I'll do my cookies because those are the easiest. So if I've got I have 2 cookies. My friend gave me 5 more. How many cookies do I have in all? So when we write our equation, we'll start with the information we get first. I have 2 cookies. 1, 2. So I'll write 2. I said that my friend gave me 5 more. When I use more, I use a plus sign. That's our operation. I had 2. My friend gave me more. How many more did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equals, because I need to find out how many I have in all together. So let's read our equation so far. We have 2 plus 5 equals, there's 2 strategies we could use. We could use the strategy of counting all of them, and we could put the greater number in our head and the smaller number in our hand. So let's count all of them first. I've noticed that that's a strategy that the kids in class are using a lot, is counting all of them. And that's a good strategy, but we'll work towards putting the greater number in our head and counting up, because that'll be the quickest way to find it. So first strategy, let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Straight across, down from heaven, that's the way you make a 7. The other strategy is put the greater number in our head, which is 5, because 5 is greater, 5 is more. Put 5 in your head, 2 in our hand. Don't forget to pull those fingers down. Ready, count up. 5, 6, 7. What's our sum? 7. How many cookies all together? 7. So my equation is 2 plus 5 equals 7. Good job. Let's do another one. This time I'll say a story and we'll draw it. I have 3 cookies. I found 3 more cookies. How many cookies do I have in all? I started with 3 cookies. 1, 2, 3. You can see that? Push harder. I had 3 cookies. I found 3 more cookies. When I hear the word more, I know it's addition. So what operation? Plus. So I had 3 cookies. I found 3 more. How many do we have all together? How many do we start with? 1, 2, 3. Plus, how many more? 3. Equals, what's our total? What's the sum? 3 and 3. 3 and 3 are equal. Equal means the same, so I'm going to put 3 in my head, 3 in my hand, and count up. Ready, go. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is my sum. 6 is how many cookies I have all together. Because I'm adding with addition, we're getting more, and that's our sum. Let's read our equation. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Let's do another one. Let's see, what kind of animal looks like this? I'll just do stars. I'll do starfish, because I can draw a star easy. I was at the beach, and I saw 5 starfish. Then I saw 3 more starfish walk up the beach. How many starfish all together? So how many starfish did I see at first? I saw 5 starfish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I saw 5 starfish on the beach. Then I saw 3 more walk up. More, the operation is plus. And I said I saw 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Around the tree, that's the way you make a 3. I saw 5 starfish on the beach. I saw 3 more starfish. How many starfish all together? Which number is greater? 5 or 3? 5. 5 is greater than 3 because 5 is more. 5 in your head, 3 in your hand. Let's count up. 5, 6, 7, 8. How many starfish in all? 8. What's my sum? 8. Let's read our equation. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Nice job. Erase, 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 erase. Let's do one more. I was at the beach, and I saw no starfish. 0. There were no starfish. Then I saw 9 starfish walk out of the water. How many starfish altogether? How many starfish did I see at first? None. What number is none? 0. So I'll write 0. I can't draw a picture of none because there's nothing there. Then, plus. I know we're adding today, so I'll write my plus. I saw 9 starfish walk out of the water. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way you make a 9. Equals, how many starfish did I see all together on the beach? I have nothing plus 9. Zeros can be tricky, but 0 just means nothing. So whenever you see a 0 in an addition equation, the sum is always going to be the number that has quantity. 0 is nothing. There's nothing there. There's no quantity. 9 has quantity because we have 9 starfish here. So if I put 9 in my head and nothing in my hand, 9. That's it. Don't touch your fingers because there's no fingers there to pull down. Sometimes what you guys do with zeros is you say 9 and then you say 10. But there's nothing here. There's no fingers to pull down. So when you're adding with a 0, it's always the number that as quantity is the sum. That can be tricky sometimes, but I'll just remind you. So if I have nothing and then I have 9, how many starfish do we have all together? 9. Whoops. Let's read our equation. 0 plus 9 equals 9. So now it's your turn. In the book, listen to the story very carefully. It's going to talk about turtles and squirrels and birds. Take your time. You can draw those items here. You're going to have to draw small though because there's not a lot of space. And even these ones up here, there's like a finger space separating the two groups. If you want, you could draw a line to separate the groups that you draw. It's up to you. Or if it's easier for you, just draw circles. Use your counters, but draw something so that I know that you're listening to the story and understanding how many of what little critters are in the story. So same thing on this side. And then the challenge question, it says that the total is 10. So you have 7 dots. You're trying to get to 10. So what you'll do is you'll write 7 first, plus, because we're adding, and you'll count up. So you'll have 7, and you're going to count up this time. So you'll say 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers did it take to get to 10? 3, because we're not talking about subtraction right now. But that's the challenge question, just counting up until you get to 10. And now it's your turn.